Alright, hey guys, it's Mike and Vic from Fishing and Fabricating. Today we're doing the fishing part.
Yay!
And we're out on a local river here, not too far from our home, about, I don't know, hour probably.
Yep.
And we're going to see if we can get into some smallmouth bass today. It's a nice fall day. You can see the colors in the trees. The leaves haven't fallen into the river so thick yet that it makes it impossible to fish, although there is definitely some leaves on the surface. But we're going to see if we can pull some smallmouth out of here today and take you guys along with us. So
yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video. Trying to get to 1,000 subs. Come and help us out.
Yep.
Let's get her done.
Thank you.
Well, hopefully we can get one here in a minute. We just started. Oh, there's a big deer up there. Wow, should have had the GoPro for that one.
Buck?
Yeah. It was up there just hanging on the shore right there, just boogie through that way.
Sent him to somebody's blind.
Yep, poor guy. It's a beautiful day out here, by the way. About close to 70 today. No wind. Just a great fall day.
Yeah, we actually waited till a little later in the day today because we knew there's guys out here that bow hunt along the bank here, so
yeah, we didn't want to bother them.
Be courteous to them.
Because we used to hunt ourselves a lot. We don't so much anymore, but
give the water a little bit of time to
warm up. Yeah, get them moving. Hopefully we can jump on one here in a minute. Didn't bring my net though, so I did have it in the truck, but you know, you got to forget something or you're not fishing.
We don't need no stinking net. I was hoping to fish that stuff a little bit.
It's pretty rocky up on this side. I'm surprised there's nothing laying up in there. Got one.
All right.
It's a little one, but I got one.
Good job, Vic. Oh, that's a nice fish. Not bad.
Little bass, little smallie.
Oh, flip.
Oh, yeah, baby. About 12 inches or so.
Well, I see why I snagged up because there's definite rocks in here.
There we go. There we are. First bass of the day. Little smallmouth. Probably about 12 inches long. About a pound.
And I'm snagged.
And he's snagged. Come on. Alright, we're going to throw this one back. Let him grow up a little bit. If I don't trip on my pole and break my neck. Give you one more look here. Alright, you're going back. I caught a fish.
Nice. It's a walleye. Huh? That is a walleye. Uh-oh.
What?
Temperature's too hot.
On the GoPro?
Nice. Yeah, I don't think I'd like being in that cooler. Watch your fingers. Well, shoot, I'd like to get a picture, but we can't. Vic got a nice walleye. Look at that fish. Beautiful fish, man.
Very healthy.
Nice color. Nice job, Vic.
Thanks. Let me give you a look at it back here. Look at that beautiful fish.
Yeah, that's a pretty one, man. Good job.
Alright, we're gonna throw him back.
Yep.
Yeah. Come on over here. See
if we can put him back. There he goes.
Yep, he swam away perfectly fine. just got one on here. We're going to get him to the boat here and see what's up. See if I can get
He
my...
came off.
Did he really?
Yep. I tried to slap him around to get a little bit better.
Oh man. Well, he's down in there somewhere.
Anyway, he's down.
He's gone.
Man, there's nothing like it. Y'all fish, you know what I'm talking about. There's nothing like it. Beautiful day out on the river or the lake. It's so peaceful.
Yeah, they call it fishing, but honestly, you should call it regrouping.
Exactly.
Because that's exactly what it is. It's like when you're out here, even if you're not catching a bunch of fish, you just regrouping. You're getting yourself back into that comfort area where work and life and everything is just tore you down all week.
Yep.
And
Ain't nothing like
it's good to be out here.
It is.
Especially if you're out here with somebody you enjoy being out here with.
Exactly. It's just way everybody talks about their mental health these days. Well, this is how we get our mental health back into the right areas of our being, because we man, this is just
This and prayer.
yes.
Because we both are Christians.
Yep.
You can probably tell by Vic's shirt if you've seen the back of it.
I forgot I had it on for a minute. Yeah, we love fishing and we love the Lord. Two things that can't be beat.
I just can't believe we ain't picking up the fish right here.
Yeah,
It
no.
looks prime,
It
bro.
does look prime. I'm putting in work, man, but it just doesn't seem to be paying off yet. Well, there's a lot of structure over there. I can feel it rubbing all the way across. And once you get right there, it stops. So it's like there's a line where it drops back off. Let's go out this way once and see what happens. Straight out that way.
See, we made a good decision.
Laying in the middle here. Kind of sink down for a few seconds, get to the bottom. Slow retrieve.
Look at the hole, I don't think these fish are quite in that that transition where they're slow. Because it's still pretty decent.
Yeah, it is.
I think they'd still chase
Like even like
a
a like
crankbait
right.
to get the right one. We're probably only a few weeks away from that.
Lethargic fish.
Lethargic fish time,
No, you can still catch them, but oh my gosh, they hit like they're drunk. Sometimes you're reeling it in, you don't even realize you have a fish till it starts moving.
At this point, I caught a fish. The camera angle got messed up. Must have bumped it. But we caught a fish here. Just wanted to show you guys the catch. Just barely seen it. Oh, it is a darkie. Nice. It's not a bad looking fish.
Take that.
Boat flip. Well, you can really see how red his gills are when they're that dark, right? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Here, let me get
Pretty little guy.
closer up on it. Yeah. See ya. Give me the fiber. Alright. Try to catch a few more. Alright, we finally got another one. It's been a minute.
Feels like a good one. Oh yeah. That's a real nice fish. Oh yeah. He's a player. Oh yeah.
Woo, yeah, that's a fat one.
Donkey, man. Gotta keep him out of that tank. See if I can get him in here without a net.
We'll get her. Lip it. Ooh, that's a nice fish.
Very nice fish.
Do you need me to lip it for you, or?
No, we'll just let him wear himself down here. I think I can lift him by the string. You ready?
Yep. Nice.
Finally.
Wow, that's a donkey.
Yeah, that's a real nice fish.
That's the best bass we've got today.
Yeah.
Here, let me get my stupid shadow out of the way. There we go.
Look at the color on that fish.
Woo.
That's a beautiful
fish right
man.
there.
Yeah, cool.
Nice.
Very nice.
Perfect.
All right, brother. Let's get him back. He's cold.
All right.
Sweet. Away he goes.
All right, we got another one here. Willie did, anyways. He's tearing them up.
Another nice one.
Here, let me go around this side.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, another nice one.
He hooked very well.
Hopefully we can get him in.
I think we can.
Nice. Heck yeah. Little 12, 13 incher.
Yeah, he ain't huge, but he's a good fight.
Here, hold him up. Get another decent shot here. Get
Yeah, he's a little
head out of the way.
Quite a bit smaller.
Oh, nice. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
A little smaller.
Beautiful fish, though, man. I tell you.
Yeah, they are really very healthy looking
Yeah,
fish.
the color of those things is just magnificent. Yeah.
Nice.
Ready, buddy? Go home. All right, guys, we're back at the shop. We just got off the water about 45 minutes, an hour ago. You guys already saw the video and the fish that we caught. Wanted to do an outro video just to kind of give you a little heads up as to what we were dealing with out there. The weather was beautiful. It's in the 70s, very low wind, lot of just a beautiful day. Unfortunately, the water temperature is a little cold this time of year, so the fish, they don't bite quite as well as they do in the summer. But we did catch a few nice fish. Just being out there on a beautiful day like this was awesome, and sharing that with my brother. And so appreciate you guys watching the video and coming along with us. And hopefully we can get some more fishing videos soon. And we're going to be working in the shop here for throughout the winter time. We've got a project coming up. It's going to be a fun project. We really hope you guys join us on that. It's going to take us a while to work our way through that project. So
Yep.
Just come along, check us out, like and subscribe, tell your friends and all that good stuff. So
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching.